I'm back on today's video. We're gonna be doing night ride on my 2015 Tracer. Let's go. Am I working out? I ain't no Uber Eats. Brother, what's the matter, brother? Yeah, you tell him. Nottz life is like at night time. The bike as well, of course. Just taking you guys along with me. Perfect timing, boys, perfect timing. Obviously it's the weekend and we're gonna see if it's absolutely popping tonight. Oh yeah, bro's riding a bike now, look, come on bro. What's going off here then, what's going off here? Oh, I'm squeezing through, man. Oh man. So, it is busy still. Well, that's what I'm saying about bikes. We'll just cut through, boys. In and out, no messing about. Left, right. Come on. Son. Oh, don't tell me this guy to pull up here. Come on, man. I'm trying to squeeze through. Busy today, though. There's the boys. Oh, yeah, that's a great spot to do pick up, innit? Bro, some people just going out here, bro. Yeah, I think people at night time are just next level, bro. All over the shop. People just pulling out and all sorts of things. Come on. Making TikToks in that. I don't want to say, but free at Shawty's like, oh, don't live or something, don't live or something. You saying you're right, yeah? You're right? Yeah, always. Yourself? I see live people. You're on live, yeah? Yeah. What's your name on live? Yeah? Yeah? Mad. You guys going out? You working out? Am I working out? No. No. I ain't no Uber Eats. It's a big bike. Yeah, she don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah. What's that? I'm working. I like an Uber ride on the flipping big thing. What? Yeah, shout out to her though, still. I was trying to violate them. I said, are you working? All of that working? No, disrespect. But yeah, that's kind of joke still. I said, you working? Nope. That was a joke still, but flipping look. Oh boys, I don't know if you lot see it. I'm not really trying to talk too much, but I love you lot. I live you lot for that. You know what I'm saying? Crazy, man. I can't believe she thought it was an Uber ride or something, or Uber Eats or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, crazy still. Make a quick Euro, boys. There's nothing down there, it's kind of dead. I'm trying to get some more content like that. I can't lie, that was crazy. It was like, oh, you want a cake? Who better eat? I was like, nah, disrespect. On this, I mean, I don't know, bro. I've not seen anyone like with a big bike, just mainly like them mopeds and that. Mad still. So yeah, we're just gonna go that way. We're gonna probably do one more lap through the town. And then from there we'll just probably head out to a different spot. Just cruising, boys, just one on L1, just cruising today. Yeah man, it's kind of chilly, it's getting cold as well. Like today earlier on, the sun was nice, it was actually amazing. It was banging weather, bike weather. And then as soon as it gets like night time like this, oh yeah, just pull up anyway. Anyway, it gets cold, boys, it gets cold. But nighttime people just come alive, boys. Brother, don't go anywhere. Bro, just coming out in the road. Terminator, that's Terminator, bro. Jesus, bro, stop the road, innit? It's all going off here now, look, boys. It's all going off. Brother, what's on my tunes going off there? Is it trying to cut through or what, boys? Cut through. Yes. Oh my god, oh yeah, that's a nice one. Man, just carried on, bro. Oh, we got been swiped up. That's what I'm saying, you gotta be sharp, boys, on your bikes. People do some mad random last minute stuff through the bus. Oh, well, she's gonna go left, I guarantee you, yeah? Hold on. Oh no. Busy today though, boys. Oh yeah, watch this, perfect timing, yeah? Boop, 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 boop. Oh yeah, of course. Brother, don't worry. So yeah, it's gonna change up the location. I'm gonna go somewhere else. Oh, boys. Oh, boys. Anyway, I'm gonna change up location, go to a different spot, and then we'll just have to see what the vlog's saying for tonight's vlog anyway. Bro! All good? Yeah, man, all good. I don't know how well, won't get my words up then, I don't know how well this microphone can pick up, but to say it's got a stock exhaust here, it sounds good though. The little pops and crackles and everything else. It sounds good, boys, it sounds good. Now in West Bridgeford, if you know, you know, or if you don't know, this is West Bridgeford. Brother, why you do this? I don't know, I know there's like a couple little town centre they've got here. It's nice, it's posh, it's very posh, I'd say, maybe. I don't know, some people might not be, but it's one of them ones, isn't it? But anyway, we're just cruising, boys, we're just cruising, you know what I mean? Seeing what's going to happen and everything else. I see you. No problem, no problem. Seems quiet up here, boys. I'm not gonna lie, I don't even know where I am, boys. No, hold on. Oh, yeah, I know why I am. No, shit. Yeah, I know where I am now. I just followed this guy for a minute, yeah, because I went round there and I thought, yeah, I'll go this way, and I'm like, well, I don't even know where I am, but I know where we are now, boys. But I can't lie, I'm gonna have to pull up, yeah, because my fingers are toastellini. My left hand's alright, yeah, but my right hand cooked. I don't know why. Brother, is not very good. Brother, what's happened here? No fear, Superman is here, boys. I'm here to sort it out. You let me know what's happened and I'll sort it out. Oh, it's the Uber Eats guy again, isn't it? I just pulled up for no reason. I think they have as well. But pulled up for no reason. They're just big chilling. Oh wait, I just started moving then. Wait, hold on, am I tripping or what? Right, I'm looking in the mirror, I can see them moving, isn't it? So double checking behind me and then still being chilling. I might go see Robin Hood, see if we can get in there. I'm sure we could. We're back in town. We're gonna go see Robin Hood. Hello, brother. It's just up here. Bro's just down there. I don't know if you can. Yeah, I think you can. I should have done just flipping my plate up, shouldn't I, boys? Oh, there's any cameras up here, bro? I'm just scope the area out. Oh, what were we saying? We were just, hold on, trying to play it safe, boy. Trying to play it safe. I want to go to my man, take a picture of the bike. Why not, boys? Why not? Robin Hood next to the castle and that. Bit dark, but that's all good. Alright then, boys, I'm going to take a couple of pictures and whatnot. Put these gloves on the exhaust. I can't lie, my hands are toaster. I had to put these on the engine for a little bit. Get some feeling back in my fingers. Oh boys, there we go, trying to go left again. We're good to go, look at that. Perfect timing, boy. Always perfect timing. We're probably going to squeeze through one more time here. I'm just going to cut, boys, I'm going to cut. Oh yeah, bro, just making U's and that. Yeah. Free to go. I can't lie, I think taxi drivers here are the worst people. These lot do whatever they want. Like, they'll do the maddest maneuvers. You'll be chilling here, next to the bros in front of you doing U-turn. Oh, I don't know who's gonna do that. Brother. Boys, we got boys around, boys. Brother, what's the matter, brother? Yeah, you tell him. Come on. Come on, tell him. Tell him. Tell him. Left, right, straight, good night. Whatever that was, innit? Oh, bro, very dangerous. Hey, very dangerous, mad. Oh, I don't know. Let's go back up that way. I should just allow it. I don't know. Never mind. Let's go through that way. We'll do one more lap, boys, and then we'll call it a night. And let's see how you like to get followed, eh? Oh, these look awkward. Come on, that's where they're not going to try to go. Go on. Oh, they're doing it on purpose, aren't they? But then again, brother, thank you, brother. Yeah, I want to do one more lap, boys, and then that is me off skis. Oh, I bet she's gone now. Oh, hold on. No, they're gone now. No, she's there. Still beefing the scooter, look. Crazy, shout out to her. I just bust you. Oh, brother, brother, very dangerous. You say boat. Come on, bro. See, exercising. Ghost Rider? What, Ghost Rider? Hey, bro did all that just to get a bus. Hold on, bro's still running. Nah, bro went to get a bus. No fear, Superman's here again. Oh, we got more cars this time. Oh, shit, what's going on here then, boys? Brother, disco light. Disco. Brother, very dangerous fighting. Why are you fighting, brother? Go home, have a drink. Go home, have a drink. Yeah, brother, should have let me squeeze through, brother. I don't know if you can hear it or not. I can't even lie. I can't lie. I've got a vegan exhaust, man. Sounds like a little, what them little things called, you know, just dancing. We're dancing on the, I don't know, never mind. Just chatting doo-doo. Oh, she's moving mad, fam. Check up. Yo, G. Yo, bro. She's in 5th dimension right now. I can't even lie. Yeah. Oh, man. I can't lie. I just like to make myself laugh. Brother, watch this chicken run chase, whatever you want to call it. I'm the best, bro. Very dangerous. Too fast and furious, boys and ladies and all the man them that are watching. I'm gonna end it here, you know, just a quick vlog for you lot. If you like this kind of video, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. Let me know. I will be making some more videos, obviously, but check out the channel, check out the other videos. You like it, subscribe it. But yeah, I will catch you lot on the next one.